Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. It has been a while since I've posted just because I've had a lot of stuff going on. As you can tell, I've grown out my hair. So what we wanted to do today was replace this key fob. I bought a Dodge Cummins and this key fob, I couldn't lock my truck. And so I know when I was buying it, I was kind of curious on whether you could just swap the key fob or not. So I'm gonna show you guys on how you can actually repair your key fob without having to go to the dealer. So this is the one that I bought off of Amazon. So this one was $14. You just buy the case and it comes with this little key. Obviously this key is not going to work because you would have to have it done by the dealer, but the keyless entry will. So this is mine that is in really bad shape. I already kind of pulled it out and put it back together, but yeah, this thing was, I couldn't lock my truck, nothing. And the reason for it is because on the contact patches, so back here you have metal contact patches that sit there and there that touch the board, and so those have already broken off, and so I couldn't lock my truck. I couldn't use panic, nothing, but I could still start the truck. So let me show you guys how to replace this. So you'll pull the key out of here by pushing this over, and the key will pop out, and there's a screw that has to be removed. So once that screw is removed, then I'll show you how this case just opens. Okay, so next, so we're just gonna go like this, and then this key will pop right out. And then what you're gonna have is you're gonna have this part. So you'll put in the side of it with the battery down on the chip, and the metal contact patches on the chip will sit inside here. So what you're gonna do when you're installing this is, let me open up this one and then I will show you guys how to do that. Okay, so I got this one open. So this is what the chip looks like. So what you're gonna do is where these contact patches is, this is where you're gonna install the chip. So you're gonna put it right in just like that. And then this backing will just go right on there, and this one just snaps together. This one actually doesn't use that bolt. So then you'll have a nice clean fob. So let me put that back together and then I'll show you guys. So now that we've got this back together, and this little key thing will slide right into the back there. Just like that. And then you have a nice new fob that'll work for your truck. So I just tested this and this thing works perfectly on my truck. It'll unlock, lock, and it'll do panic, and it'll even start. So I'll post up the link for this in the description so that you guys can also replace this. Well, thank you guys for watching another short video on my YouTube channel. I would like to start posting more often, so I'll see if I can find some more content and some things that I'd like to post about. And then I also need to do some updates on the Cummins as well, because I've done quite a bit of work to that and just haven't posted much. So stay tuned and we will see you for the next episode.